All right, so I have here the Innova SD35 OBD2 Scanner. Now this is great to quickly diagnose any issues that might be going on with those check engine lights that are popping up on your dashboard, your ABS, SRS, TPMS, all of those orange vehicle lights that you have on your dash. This can quickly diagnose really in under like 15 seconds. Now, I was sent this by the brand, but I use it all the time. It's super easy to set up. All you have to do is plug in the cables that it comes with into the reader, and then also just plug it straight into your car. As you can see here, I have my check engine light on my Jeep. Then I go through the settings here, selecting US standard, and then it starts right away scanning my car. And boom, you can see here I have a few codes there that it picked up. The P0420, that's a catalyst system efficiency threshold. It also picked up a few other signals here. And it's telling me the descriptions and the severity level of each one of these codes that it picked up. And now there's so many different features that it has, like this one here. It gives you live data. So as you're running your car, you can see exactly how your engine is performing. There's a graph that also shows you your engine RPMs and how efficiently it is running. So overall, I really love this OBD2 sensor by Innova.